Studies. So I'm going to be reading an old Irish poem that's starting to transition into Middle Irish. There are features of both periods in language here. I sort of picked this poem because in some ways it's this great compact cross-section of so many of the things that characterize old Irish poetry. We have this remembrance of the heroic past, yet it's also incredibly dreary and gloomy like Irish tends to be, but it's also framed in this almost comical criticism of a young woman who is perhaps too sad over losing her pet goose. Avor mania moia huil, becca dan me ester in noin, mac alle eg dui fodein, nach bed och hel can ageodd, a ingen donachad ruin, ar a huil bor faravan, na quala shell, soma shame, in uar forger do ger glan, na quala garg, na don leo, ishmar con kethatach, qua ogus gormak, ogus art, esbakin mak, ish in tua. Na quala dil crimthan chlor, meg idag, do flin cloragan, ogus egoan, tadlectes, focer kes, for cluamal. Na quala geniem, ginem blach narg, mar egoed fellach na verg, ogas grimthan, cridaniag, ogas luched, da riavn dierg, na quala en joveli narg, da vuar jogan anual nuilg, na quala en forara fecht, da rovelt conara quilt, na quala mongan maithlech, do thumtimp hi conar krig, ogus germat milbermin, mac darvaden dodith, na quala an lam deth dolob, cochulan rob aprethait, ogus ni ranfeng ver, do noec rogav gai na glag, na quala genium glanam gan, fothad canam, clu narvin, ogas rinen et rianv, dar anem toise na fian fin, na quala fergus, Kiarvan, darvalan kert dergas lor, ogus manaman matlir, a manaman min avor. Geodd in eren rilin brian drangav, evlin conor, math carafir ogad brian, fial fleith, chin mara avor.